From the first spark of aspiration, a journey was ignited. Built on trust in an ever-changing market, moving forward with steady steps through volatility, standing side by side with clients through every challenge. DSC has become a symbol of resilience, firm in direction, persistent in execution, and committed to reaching new heights, accompanying clients on their journey to success. Like a lighthouse in the sea, DSC illuminates the path forward with knowledge and unwavering vision. DSC, guiding the way forward. On a journey of sustained growth, DSC takes pride in its pioneering role in building a comprehensive digital ecosystem of financial products and services, delivering solid, measurable, and enduring achievements. Between 2021 and 2025, DSC recorded outstanding growth in both revenue and profitability, laying a strong foundation and creating highly promising momentum for the 2026 to 2030 period. During 2021-2025, profit before tax achieved an exceptional average compound annual growth rate of 82%. DSC confidently projects continued strong performance, with profit before tax expected to grow at an average of 49% per year from 2026 to 2030. Return on equity, ROE, demonstrated a clear and consistent upward trend, rising from 2.4% in 2021 to 10.62% in 2025 and is projected to reach 12.84% in the next phase. Operational efficiency also improved significantly, with the cost-to-income ratio (CIR) maintained at 46% by the end of 2025 and expected to decline further to approximately 38% in the coming years. Workforce productivity stands as another point of pride for DSC. From 2022, each employee generated an average profit before tax of 246 million Vietnam dong. By the end of 2025, this figure increased to 1.3 billion Vietnam dong and is projected to reach 1.6 billion Vietnam dong in 2026 and 2.2 billion Vietnam dong in 2027. In the field of investment advisory and asset management, DSC consistently delivers strong investment returns, achieving profits of 15 to 24% across different periods. DSC advised clients on investment values ranging from 57.2 billion Vietnam dong Phase 1 to 464.6 billion Vietnam dong Phase 2 and maintained at 401.6 billion Vietnam dong Phase 3, while recording investment profits of 11.3 billion Vietnam dong, corresponding to the 20% return, 69.9 billion Vietnam dong, corresponding to the 15% return, and 95.2 billion Vietnam dong, corresponding to the 24% return, respectively, for each phase. In the proprietary trading segment, investment capital has continuously increased from 245 billion Vietnam dong June 2023 to February 2024 to 312 billion Vietnam dong and reaching 388 billion Vietnam dong from April 2025 to August 2025. Profits also showed significant growth, increasing from 52.4 billion Vietnam dong to 83.8 billion Vietnam dong. The specialized investment method has enabled the proprietary trading division to consistently generate an average return of 20% per year, and by August 2025, the portfolio had already achieved this profit target. In investment banking, IB, DSC has firmly positioned itself as a trusted strategic advisor. The company has successfully executed a series of major transactions, supporting enterprises in capital mobilization, restructuring, and mergers and acquisitions, creating meaningful and sustainable value. In 2023, DSC's completed 5 major M&A and capital market transactions with a total deal value up to 14.5 trillion Vietnam dong, including BG Bank transaction valued at 12 trillion Vietnam dong. In 2024, 3 M&A transactions with a total value of approximately 1,850 billion Vietnam dong. By 2025, DSC has successfully executed 4 major transactions operations with a total transaction value of nearly 5,625 billion Vietnam dong. Specifically, DSC handled debt restructuring, M&A activities, and sought strategic partners for the investment in Do Life International Hospital with a total transaction value of 2,365 billion Vietnam dong. It also conducted M&A activities involving pharmaceutical companies with a total value of 1,400 billion Vietnam dong and advised on the restructuring of debts for 3 automotive retail companies with a total value of 350 billion Vietnam dong. It provided advisory services for insurance and restructuring activities with a total value of over 1,000 billion Vietnam dong. With impressive performance over the years, DSC has become a trusted destination, attracting the attention of many domestic and international investment funds and financial institutions, partners seeking strategic cooperation opportunities, aiming for long-term and sustainable development. In addition, we have built an intelligent advisory ecosystem where technology, data, and user experience intersect, including DSC Forum, DSC Chat AI, and DSC Demo, a trading simulation platform for new investors entering the stock market. As a member of Tencom Group, DSC inherits a strong foundation and develops based on core values: credibility, integrity, professionalism, innovation, creativity. All sustainable achievements are the result of DSC's 3 guiding principles: D. Diligent, dedication in every step, putting heart and soul into every decision. S. Swift, quick, flexible, and adaptable to seize opportunities. C. Credible, trustworthy, the foundation of sustainable relationships with clients and partners. Established in 2006, after nearly 2 decades of development, DSC has transformed significantly, becoming a reputable securities brand in the Vietnamese market. With a vision to become a strong and reputable brand in the Vietnam stock market, DSC continuously innovates to enhance its competitiveness, build a comprehensive financial service ecosystem, and prioritizes clients and quality as the measure of development. Guided by the philosophy Together for Success, DSC aims to provide in-depth consulting, effective financial solutions, and diverse investment opportunities to maximize benefits and fulfill its mission of bringing lasting success and prosperity to customers. DSC is continuously expanding its network to serve customers nationwide quickly and efficiently. DSC headquarters are located on the second floor of Tencom Building, 80 Dic Phong Ho Street, Cozy Ward, Hanoi. A strategic operational center where a dedicated and experienced team of experts is assembled. Ham Long Transaction Office, a connecting point in the heart of the capital city. Da Nang Branch, present in the dynamic Central region. Ho Chi Minh City Branch, serving investors in the financial center of the South. Committed to the sustainable development, DSC actively maintains meaningful community initiatives, supporting children and underserved communities, operating the DSCs for the Community Fund, and organizing the Connecting Steps charity run. On its journey of innovation, in June 2024, DSC was honored at Vietnam Wealth Advisors Summit 2024 with 2 distinguished awards: Outstanding Technology and Digital Transformation Product, recognizing DSC's strong commitment to service digitalization and investor empowerment in the digital era. Outstanding Investment Asset Management Service, affirming professional expertise, transparency, and long-term effectiveness. Behind these achievements stands the dedicated team, the true source of DSC's strength. They embody intellectual excellence and strategic vision, resilient financial professionals, experienced leaders, and a new generation driven by an unwavering spirit of innovation. Steadfast and volatility, creative in the face of challenges, and persistent in the pursuit of long-term value. They are the driving force behind DSC's continued growth and enduring success. The results of the past 5 years demonstrate the strength of DSC's leadership and the discipline of its organization. From this foundation, DSC moves into the new phase with clear strategic direction, expanding partnerships and focusing on investment banking, including corporate financial advisory and long-term investment solutions. This is a high-value arena that demands decisive leadership. DSC aspires to break into the top 2 in the investment banking sector and further become a leading company in the asset management advisory field. Driven by the clarity of vision, intellectual rigor, and long-term commitment, DSC will continue to lead and to accompany partners and clients towards sustained success. DSC, together for success.